This is video lecture number 5 for chapter 22. We are on page 53 in the notes, and we are going to start looking at reactions that organic compounds undergo. So today we're just going to look at 3 of them, and then we'll have 4 of them for the next lecture. The first reaction is a substitution reaction. It's a reaction in which one atom or a group of atoms are replaced by another atom or a group of atoms. Here we should know we have methane. Methane will react with chlorine. And we see that one of the chlorines attaches to the molecule and it bumps out one of the H's. So a chlorine substitutes for an H. We could take methane, react it with chlorine, and this time have 2 chlorines substitute in, which means 2 hydrogens would have to come out. In substitution, an element will replace hydrogen in a hydrocarbon. The second reaction is addition. Addition reactions, like the name implies, adds atoms. They add atoms at a double or a triple bond site. So here is ethene. We are going to add to ethene bromine, through the addition of energy. And what will happen is that one of the double bonds will be broken of the ethene molecule. So we still have the 2 H's original on each side. We have one of the bonds left. And that bond that is broken ends up being placed on each of the carbon atoms, where the bromine will be added. This is called 1,2 dibromoethane. So write this one small. If we take this molecule, which is ethine, and we add to it chlorine and add some heat, we will break one of the triple bonds, so we still have the double bond left, and the bond that was broken ends up on the 2 carbons, where the chlorines will attach. So ethine turns into 1,2 dichloroethene. But then what we can do is add more chlorine, heat, and then break one of the double bonds. So we're still left with the H's and the chlorines from before, but now where the double bond was broken, we can add a chlorine to each carbon, and we end up with 1,1,2,2 tetrachloroethene. chloro, ethane, ethane. The third type of reaction is combustion. The third type of reaction is combustion. An organic compound reacts with oxygen. The products have to be carbon dioxide and water. So ethane, eth is 2, ane, double and add 2 to get the number of H's, reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. Balance, 2 carbons, 2 in front, 6 H's, 3 in front. We have 2 times 2, 4, plus 3, 7 oxygens, 2 times 3.5, 7, and then we have to double everything so that we have whole numbers. Ethanol, C2, H5, OH. So one of the H's is replaced by an OH. Reacts with oxygen to form CO2 and water. 2 carbons, 2 in front, 6 H's, 3 in front. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3, 7 oxygens, but I already have 1, so I need 6 more, so a 3 in front. So in combustion, an organic molecule reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. So that's it for this lecture, and we will see you in class.